Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, it's a bit messing situation here on the daily chart. It's very strong and opposite action stance within the couple of months, as you can see. So big drops have been replaced by the big rallies, and that keeps overall price behavior. It's a bit such a mess on the market, and it's confusing and very difficult to make some assumption on the more or less long-term perspective. So on the weekly chart, it's still relatively clear that we have the butterfly, and with this flat standing here, market keeps it valid, and it mostly points on the downside action. But what will happen within the few sessions, it really the challenge to foresee this, and better currently to keep an eye on the shorter term charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the hourly chart, where we see some patience and just control how this patience will develop. Depending on what action we will see around major supports, it will tell you what targets market could hit. So currently on the daily chart, still we have some bullish moments. First of all, trend has turned bullish here on a daily chart by the MACD indicator. Second, as we said, if market will return right back up inside of this range, it could mean that market really could continue to move higher. And here, the nearest perspective that we could get on a daily chart is based on this ABC bottom pattern. The COP target stands 66 even approximately. So it approximately equals the width of the of this range. So as on the downward breakout, market has completed the width of this range to the downside. Right now, as market returns right back up, it could complete the same target to the upside. In this case, this COP at this area could be reached. But before that, we need to control what's going on the lower time frames. So, for example, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we could get the AB's equals CD target that stands at approximately at 65 even, so slightly lower than and around the upper border of this consolidation than on the daily chart. But if market will reach this area and break out as follows, next will be 66 even. So this will be the target on the daily. So here is the major question on the breakout. But currently we have the ability to take the position before this will happen, because as you understand, the taking position right at the resistance area, at the upper border, it's a bit risky because you do not know what will happen, whether the market will show the breakout or not. That's why the taking position inside the channel, it's a bit more safe, and especially when you have on the background this good upward action. So for that purpose, we will use the hourly chart, and here we need to control the important support area. So take a look. Then here, situation develops very well. So we have the thrusting actions and very small retracement. So here the 30% retracement on the market hits the COP. Minor retracement also, the 30% retracement has happened. The market has formed here this minor godless triple to buy, as you can see. Now again, fast acceleration. Now market has hit the OP of this initial ABC bottom pattern and hits the opposite border of the channel. So in fact, as you can see here, market is developing kind of the channel. And here we will be watching for retracement, the pullback to the lower border of this channel. And take a look at this very, very strong support. So this is the border of the channel itself, and confidence support, 618 support from this low to this top, and 30% support from this low to this top. And this combination creates the confidence support. It's approximately 63.60, 63.70. That will be the moment of truth. So to keep our scenario on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily chart valid, and that indeed market will continue upward action to upper border. For that purpose, market should at least hold inside this channel and stand above the support. So it should not break it. If market will break the support down, that will erase the short-term bullish perspective. That's why the attractiveness at this point, I call these moments call these areas as the culmination points, because this combines invalidation with strong support, and this combination usually provides you best opportunity for taking the position with the minimal stop, because you could place stop slightly below this area. It's very tight stop, and reward, if market will really continue upward action, will be significant. At the same time, this point is invalidation one, because as market will break it, the short-term bullish context will be vanished, will be destroyed, and we will need to watch for some more clarity what will happen. Because as I said, on general and weekly chart, situation looks bearish, and it's just a moment, just a question of time where this reversal will happen. But currently, if this support area will hold, we will be watching first for the 65 even. This upper border of this consolidation. This will be next target, and potentially we could get the COP at 66 even on a daily chart if this consolidation later market will break.